this one Hanan from Ethiopia. He is still 3 years in UAE. Yesterday he is very upset, Her very upset. Why? Because he left the plane. Yes, because why? He not bring the immigration paper.
Yeah.
So there is the inspection ask where is your paper, immigration paper. So her call me. So I am left the plane. Why? And this is the big problem. So and this time already I am back to Al-Ain. So her is calling me and I am come back again to Dubai and take her, and her is very upset because very angry about which one is the local Muatan. Very he is fraud with her. So no, and today morning time me and Hanan also come back again to Dubai airport and take the bag. Now her is happy, and after late breakfast he eat paratha and egg. So now go to Al-Ain and going to travel agency and take again ticket, and tomorrow I am carrying her to Jawazat and take in the paper, cancellation paper, and again inshallah tomorrow Sunday, yes, evening time again he is going to Ethiopia. So her meet with the family, mama, brother and sister and friend also. So keep smiling everyone and keep missing me and pray me. And I am helping with her because why? I very very like and loving him. Hanan. And I love him.
I love you so much, my best
So
friend.
this is the
Mom.
big thinking. So inshallah today is happy, not tension. Yesterday is very upset, very very upset and very angry. So inshallah mama wait is come back again tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.